never think about lifting one of these, but we are here. What's up, Tire Garage TV? Welcome back to the channel. If you're first time on the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome too. My name is Pablo. I work, own, and live here at the Tire Garage. It's a little tire shop located in Santa Ana, Southern California. And we do all kinds of car stuff here. From building, to lifting, to fixing, to, look, got a radiator right there on the floor. Anything car related, stuff like that, I love to do. Car shows, truck meets. Well, we're going to hit a trail pretty soon, so I'm definitely going to record that. And if you like turning wrenches, you like doing car stuff too, then this is definitely the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, welcome, and take a seat back. Let me show you what we're doing on this episode. This one's a special one, because I've got a customer who comes in often. He's worked on his Jeep already. I'm excited about this one. So we're going to do a 3-inch lift on this, put 32s or 33s? 32s. It's fun, it's badass, because you don't see many of these. You see them, but they go unnoticed, and you never think about lifting one of these. But we are here. He's the one who actually found the lift kit for it. He's the one who's doing all the research for it. I'm pretty much just gonna throw it on. So let me show you the car. So you can see what I'm talking about. This is a 2014 Jeep Cherokee is what this baby is. This is what we're talking about. Check this baby out. Woo. Look, there's a lot to see on this truck. He's already worked on this truck a little bit. So it's far from stock, right? He's got the BF Goodrich KO2s. It's not just your regular standard. Obviously the roof rack stands out. He's got this big ass light bar here, which is badass. Dude, that thing is bright. Plus, he himself actually machined these clips to hold the those 3-inch light pods on there. He's got one on both sides. Check that out, which looks sick. That's a design that I'm looking to do on my H3. And he's also got the light bar down here too. So this thing's bright. He actually does take this thing off-road. In fact, his AC doesn't work right now because of, check this out, you got 2 more back here. He actually does not have AC right now because he pretty much jumped the thing and landed on its grill, and the condenser's bent. He still wants to do more work on this baby. It's a 4x4. He definitely uses the 4x4. So, so let's get to work on this. So we got work to do. It is Saturday, and it's about 6:30, 6 p.m., and honestly, it's closing time already. I already got done. I'm a little behind, to be honest. I've got a few parts already here. Dobson. I'm going to start this baby up on Monday. This one is basically done already. So the radiator's here on the floor. I'm just bleeding the cooling system, and it's done. I'm going to need the rack for this one, for the Jeep. Monday's Memorial Day. I'm not sure if I'm closing or not. I might come in anyway, because I'm excited about this one. You know why? Because after we do the lift, we put the tires on. He's going with the Patagonia MTs. After we put everything in, we're actually taking that out on the trail. I'm taking my H3. I got a buddy, actually a neighbor, who's actually a viewer. Shout out to you, brother. He's going with us too. We're taking this baby out. We're taking his Jeep out. We're taking the H3 out. He said he's got a buddy who might take a Jeep as well. And I'm going to tell my brother, see if he wants to go too. We'll take the red Ram out there too. If you've been on the Instagram, you've seen that Ram here before too. So, you know what I'm about to say. Let's get to work, but honestly, no. It's Saturday. We're going home. I'll see you on Monday. Maybe Tuesday. All right. Catch you later. By the way, go check out the Instagram. I'm going to post it up here. I'm going to post mine up here too. I do a lot of stories. I'm very active on social media. So go follow those 2 accounts. You catch me on there all the time. All right?
Hey, living life up in the fast lane.
What's up, Tire Garage TV? We're back. It's Tuesday, not Monday. Why? Because it was Memorial Day. I didn't work Memorial Day. I actually took the day off and went a little trip with the family, which was a lot of fun. Yo, go check that one up. That one's actually on my other channel, which I actually recorded, made a video on. It's on my other channel, so go check that out. I'll put the link up here. But let's get to work. Let's get to work.
And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.
Sounds like dolphins when it goes up.
Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas, Coronas.
First step is, let's take the wheels off and check out the suspension, kind of see what we're dealing with. I pretty much have to take the struts out in the front and replace them. In the rear, kind of the same idea, but in the rear, I think it's actually coils and, I gotta look at this, coils and, yeah, so it's a coil and a shock. So that's kind of what we're looking at. So this has to be replaced together with the shock on the other side. Both control arms have to come down, and the shock has to be replaced. And then on the front, the strut pretty much has to be replaced. So here's what the gear looks like before we even throw it in. Check that out. Here are the springs. This is what they look like. But we got 4 springs, two here, 2 there. These I believe are the rear. These I believe are the front, which come with the shocks right here. Dobinson, and the struts right over there. We got 2 of those right there. So I got to mount that strut on this spring, actually that spring on that strut, and then put the whole assembly into the vehicle. Other than that, let's get started. Let's go. Let's get to work. Woo.
I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living.
Let's take a look at what it looks like. This is what it looked like. So here's what the front looks like. Let's do the front first. So that whole strut has to come out, and the new one has to go in. Here's the thing. Well, let's look at it from this side. Sway bar link has to be disconnected. Tie rod, for now, I'm going to leave it on. But the sway bar link has to come off. This nut has to come off. And that should honestly release. The 4 screws up top should come off too. That should honestly release here. Once I release the tension, this strut should be able to come out easy. I hope I don't have to pry it out of here. That could be something that I got to do. So let's see how it goes. Let's take care of it.
The moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash. Bitch, I'm zoning, fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Losing track of time, but it's always on my side. Hit the still to feel the vibe. On my mama, I'm so live. Popping bottles around 9, and them ladies about to slide. Hey, I'm just living live. I'm just living live. Hey, rolling. Don't know if I'm coming or I'm going. Home for the summer in Miami when it's snowing. Might just end up in your city, baby. You won't even know it. Might just find out from the ground while I'm posing with some grands. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.
Fuck. Now I want one of these. Damn. It turned out really, really good. And now I want one. What the fuck? Check this puppy out. Oh, jeez. Whoo, whoo. Mean old tires. Mean ass lift. Literally, you have it off the lift, and I thought it was still on the lift. Lifted 2 inches. MFC off-road lift kit with 32-inch tires on this son of a.
In the fast lane, losing track of time, but it's always on my side. Hit the still to feel the vibe. On my mama, I'm so live. Popping bottles around 9, and them ladies about to slide. Hey, I'm just living live. I'm just living live. Hey, rolling, don't know if I.
So what do you think? It's a good-looking Jeep, right? It ended up really well. It ended up a lot better than what I thought it was going to look like. In fact, yeah, I kind of want one now. That's the bad thing about me. I love cars, and I love the modifications on that. So, you know, from a little 20, I think it was like a 28-inch tire, to a 32, it's a big change. You saw the difference in the 2 tires. It's a big change. So, but it rides really well, drives really well. Like I told you before, this dude doesn't just own a 4x4, he uses the 4x4. We took that Jeep already twice off-road, and the thing does pretty good. So go take a look at those 2 videos. I'll put them up here and up here wherever they go. That way you go take a look. Yo, what do you think? Good looking Jeep? MFC off-road. That's where you get that kit at. All right? So thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here, and you know what to say. All right? Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Slowing down, living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.